This is actually a deeper look on the gold, because actually we have sent a signal to buy the gold at the price of 2055 toward 2108. So now I want to give this actually a deeper look and deeper analysis, and let's talk about the gold, guys, together. So actually I want to go here to the clearing chart, and I want to show you guys something on the monthly chart. So actually what we had right here in the gold is really remarkable, because based on the monthly chart we had right here a triple top pattern which has been totally completed. And by the last month of I think, if I'm not mistaken, last September, we thought that October is gonna be a bearish month, and we thought that the gold will continue the fall toward the support right here at 1678. However, the opposite has happened starting of October, and as you can see, the gold has indeed made a bullish breakout from the long-term resistance right here at 2044. Now, what we have ended up with is an actual, let me just squeeze the chart, is an actual broken triangle. As we can see right here, this is the support trend line, and right there, of course, lies the other flag, or the resistance trend line. Confirmed that we had here a flag, and as we can see right here, guys, the resistance trend line has indeed been broken out from, and the support trend line right here has also been broken out from. So in general, we had right here a broken out structure. So that means that the gold right now most likely is going to continue the rise. So now, in my opinion, we have to consider buying the gold in the upcoming days and weeks. Now, let's give this even deeper analysis than that, and let's now talk about fundamentals. Now, Mr. Jerome Powell is actually going to testify on Wednesday and Thursday. Now, what is he going to talk about exactly? Well, Mr. Jerome Powell is actually going to stick to his script, urging patience of the rate cutting front, as policymakers are waiting eagerly for more confirmed data that the inflation is actually falling toward their target of 2.0%. So until he testifies, we have to consider that the gold, and let's get back to the chart, the gold most likely, guys, is going to be ranging between this level of a resistance right there at 2087 and the support at 2011.73. The gold most likely is going to be ranging in this level until Mr. Jerome Powell testifies finally, and then we can see a remarkable bullish breakout or a bearish one happening from that level. But from my opinion, again, I'm expecting actually a bullish one. And again, I want to go back to the monthly chart, and I want to show you that we are having here, of course, a historical breakout from this level of a resistance at 2009. And keep in mind that we had right here indeed a strong level of a resistance appeared back in 2020, and again December 21. Again, the market has made an attempt to break out from that level of a resistance, and again on December 2022, again another attempt which has of course failed to create a bullish breakout from that long-term resistance. And as you can see, October 2023 brought us this candle which actually has confirmed the failure of this pattern, and the gold is indeed not giving up, and most likely right now is going to continue the rise. And that can be confirmed by seeing right here December candle has actually closed as a bullish one, and instead of being rejected like 2021 and 2022 candles, it has actually closed as a support candle, which means right now with the beginning of March, we can see that the candle seems blue and seems it's gonna be bullish one. And for that reason, I believe that the gold is going to continue the rise. So let's consider, guys, purchasing the gold for the upcoming days. And again, let's keep an eye on Mr. Jerome Powell's speech. It's gonna play a major and very big role in determining the direction of the gold. All of the analysis actually, guys, can fail apart upon his speech, upon his testifies, or actually his testimony. It's gonna play a really big role in that, and for that reason we have to always pay attention to what he will say. So again, if you want my opinion, don't open any trade on the gold while Mr. Jerome is testifying. It's gonna be held on Wednesday at almost 3 p.m. GMT time, and then again on Thursday exactly at the same time as well, 3 p.m. GMT time. So for those reasons, guys, we have to be careful and wise about how we trade the gold. And again, if the gold is going to continue the rise, that's going to be like a jackpot for us, because we can actually look for so many good setups. And I think it's going to be easier for us to determine that we can buy the gold, and we never look for shorting it until it reach, of course, the highest level of a resistance right there, the historical level of a resistance at 2143.81. So again, until then, guys, I hope everyone is going to have a good week ahead. And again, I wish everyone a happy weekend so far. And I will see you again, guys, on Monday on the new live trading video. So until then, I hope that was informative to you. And I would like to thank you for watching.